In today's video, we're going over how to hard reset the Hisense U3120G Soundbar. If you're running into issues with it, whether it's not connecting, glitching out, or just not sounding right, this quick reset might be all you need. So let's get straight into it. You might be wondering, why reset it at all? Well, if your soundbar isn't connecting to Wi-Fi, having Bluetooth pairing problems, or just generally acting weird, doing a full reset can usually clear that up. It's also helpful if you're giving it to someone else, moving it to a new space, or just want to start fresh. Here's how to do the reset. First, make sure the soundbar is powered on and in what's called OP mode. Basically, it just needs to be in its normal working state. Then, either on the soundbar itself or using the remote, press and hold the standby button for about 5 seconds. You'll know it's working when the word reset pops up briefly on the display. After that, the soundbar will go quiet for a few seconds while it resets itself. And that's it. It's now back to its original factory settings. After the reset, you'll need to pair your devices again, set up Wi-Fi if you were using it, and reconfigure any other settings you had before. So treat it like you just took it out of the box. Simple fix, and it usually clears up most of the annoying stuff.